Good morning to all students. In our previous video, we have completed exercise 5B till question number 3. Now, in this video, we are going to start our next question, that is question number 4 of exercise 5B. The first question says, simplify and express the answers in positive exponent form. First we have to simplify the question, and then after we have to express the answer in power form, positive power form. Let us see the very first question. The first question is minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 6 divided by 6 into 2 to the power 3. Let's see how we will do. We are going to have the answer in exponent form. This we can separate the minus because we know that minus 3 to the power 3, here power is odd number, and if for a negative number, if the power is odd, the result will be odd. We are separating the negative sign. Here we can write 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 6 upon, here this 6 we can write 2 into 3 just to make the power, into 2 to the power 3. In the next step what we will do, this minus will be separated. 3 to the power 3, this 3, it is in base is same, and in division form, into 3 to the power minus 1 we can write. We have brought this 3 to the numerator, that's why the power is being changed to negative. Similarly, into 2 to the power 6 divided by, here 2 and 2 base is same, power will be added, 2 to the power 1 plus 3. Let us move to the next step. Minus 3 to the power 3 plus minus 1 into 2 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 4. In the next step, minus 3 to the power plus minus 3 minus 1 into 2 to the power 6. Here again division is there, base is same, division to 6 minus 4. In the next step, minus 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. This will be our answer. Hope that this question is clear to you all. Next we will see question number 3, and we have to solve it by the same process. Let us see here, 36 into minus 6 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 6 divided by 12 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 5. Now first we will search the smaller number. Here we can see smaller number is 3, and one more smaller number we can make, that is 2, because it is divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2. Or if you want to make it more clear and more easy, what we will do, we will simply write, we will break the power. Minus 6 to the power 2, it means minus 6 into minus 6. 3 to the power 6, 3 multiplied 6 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 12 to the power 3, it means 12 multiplied 3 times into 3 to the power 5, 3 will be multiplied 5 times. Like this you can also solve this type of question, and at the last we will convert it into power. If you will try to solve question number 1 by this method also, you can solve it. Now we will check whether any number is going to be cancelled or not. This 3 cancelled, this 3, this one, up to here 3 is cancelled. Now 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Now we can see that none of the number is going to be reduced. What is left in numerator? 3 into, here minus 1 into minus 1 into 3 by 2 into 2. Here minus into minus plus, here 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 we can write, because minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 and plus 1, no need to write. Now we will convert this into exponent. Now we can write 3 square by 2 square, and in the last step we will combine the power, because both are having same power. We can write 3 by 2 whole to the power 2. Like this also you can solve, like this also you can solve. This method is little bit tough, but this method is very easy. You can try out this method. Next we will see question number 5. Next question number 5 is a to the power minus 7 into b to the power minus 7 into c to the power 5 into d to the power 4 divided by a to the power 3 into b to the power minus 5 into c to the power minus 3 into d to the power 8. What we will do here, first we will try to make all the power positive, and this can be made by making the reciprocal of the base. Whatever term with negative power is given in numerator, that we will bring in denominator to make the power positive, and whatever negative power is in denominator, we will send it to numerator to make it positive. Like here only two terms are positive in the numerator, we will write c to the power 5 into d to the power 4. Then here two terms are negative. When these two terms will go up, it will become positive. It will become b to the power 5 into c to the power 3 divided by a to the power 3 into d to the power 8, because they were positive power in the denominator. Now in the numerator, two terms are having negative power. They will come down into a to the power 7 into b to the power 7. Now we will follow the law of exponent here. C to the power 5, C to the power 3. We will arrange the numbers C to the power 5 into C to the power 3 into D to the power 4 into B to the power 5 divided by A to the power 3, A to the power 7 into D to the power 8 into B to the power 7. Now we will see whether having same base, we will add here c to the power 5 plus 3 into d to the power 4 into b to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3 plus 7 having same base and multiplication is there into d to the power 8 into b to the power 7. Here c to the power 5 plus 3 8 into d to the power 4 into b to the power 5 divided by a to the power 10 into d to the power 8 into b to the power 7. Now we can cut also. Here 5 power, b is having 5 power, here b is having 7 power. If 5 will cut here in power form, 2 will remain. Here d is having 4 power and here d is having 8 power. If we will cut here, power 4 will be remaining. In the next step we will write the remaining part c to the power 8 and nothing is remaining in the numerator divided by a to the power 10 into d to the power 4 into b to the power 2. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is clear. Next we will see the last question, that is question number 6. In question number 6, question is a to the power 3 into b to the power minus 5 whole to the power minus 2. First what we will do here, we will distribute this whole power to both of them. How we will write in the next step? A to the power 3 to the power minus 2. Here I have distributed power minus 2 to a, and again b to the power minus 5 to the power minus 2. And as we have learned earlier that when we are having double power, what we will do, we will simply multiply a to the power 3 into minus 2, 3 2 is 6, minus 6, b to the power minus 5 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 5 2 is 10. Now question has asked us to express the answer in positive power. Here one power is negative, so we will send this number to denominator. We can write b to the power 10 by a to the power 6. This will be our answer. Hope that this question is clear to you all. Next we will move to question number 5. Our next question number 5 is saying evaluate. Evaluate, we all know that to find the value. The very first question is 6 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. Here we will follow the BODMAS rule. First what we will do, we will make the power positive. The first step will be, this is 6 to the power minus 2. This we can write 1 by 6 to the power 2 divided by 4 to the power minus 2. We can write 1 by 4 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. We can write 1 by 3 to the power 2. Now we will solve the term given inside the bracket first. This one, 1 square 1, 6 square 6 6 is 36 divided by 1 square 1, 4 4 is 16 into 1 by 3 3 is 9. In the next step, 1 by 36 divided by 1 into 1 1, 16 9 is 144. In the next step what we will do, we will convert this division into multiplication. We will write 1 by 36 into 144 by 1. Now we will reduce the fraction. Let's start doing from 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 9 4 is 36. Your answer will be 4. This will be your answer. This question is quite very easy for you all. Let us see our next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 also, in this question we have to find the value. Question is 5 by 6 to the power 2 into 9 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 125 by 216. First we will solve the term given inside the bracket. Our first step will be 5 square 5 5 is 25 by 6 square 6 6 is 36 into 9 by 4 divided by minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9, 2 square 2 2 is 4 into 125 by 216. Now in the next step we will solve the term given inside the bracket. Let's check whether any number is going to be reduced or not. Here we can see that 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36. It will be 25 by 4 4 is 16 divided by, here also we will check whether any number is going to be reduced or not. Here we can see that these two terms are going to be reduced. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 4 is 36. Here it is 125 by 4 4 into 24, 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 2 is 8 1, 9. Now in the next step we will convert this division into multiplication. 25 by 16 into 96 by 125. Now again we will check whether any number is going to be reduced or not. It is 25 5 is 125, 16 6 is 96, 6 by 5. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is clear to you all. Next we will see our next question. Our next question, question number 3 is 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power 2 plus 17 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 3. Here simply we have to calculate. Here we can see here plus sign is there. First 5 to the power 3, 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, 3 into 3 plus 17 to the power 0, 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 7 to the power 3, 7 into 7 into 7. In the next step we will multiply. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 into 3 3 is 9 plus 1 7 is 7, 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343. Now we will do the multiplication first. 9 5 is 45, carry 4, 9 2 is 18, 4 22, carry 2, 9 1 is 9, 10 11, 1125 plus 343. Let us add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 1 4. Your answer will be 1468. Next we will see question number 4. Question 4 is 2 to the power 5 into 15 to the power 0 plus minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 by 7 to the power minus 2. This we have to find the value. First we will write 2 to the power 5. It means 2 will be multiplied for 5 times into 15 to the power 0. We know that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1, plus minus 3 to the power 3. It means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 2 by 7 to the power minus 2. First we will make the power positive. It will become 7 by 2 to the power 2, taking the reciprocal. Now we will multiply 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 2 to 16, 2 to 32, 32 1 to 32, plus minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 3 3 is 9, 9 into minus 3, 9 3 is 27, and plus into minus minus. It will be minus 27 minus 7 7 is 49 by 2 2 is 4. In the next step we will open this bracket. 32 plus minus minus 27 minus 49 by 4. Here we will subtract these two. 32 minus 27, it will be 5 minus 49 by 4. Next step we will take the LCM. LCM will be 4 1 4 is 4, 4 5 is 20, minus 4 1 is 4, 1 49 is 49. In the next step we can write 20 minus 49, that will be minus 29 by 4. This will be our answer. Next we will see question number 5. Here question number 5 is 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 0 plus 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 6 plus 1 by 2 to the power 3. First of all we will open all the power. Here 2 to the power 2 into 0, that will be 2 to the power 0, 2 into 0 0, plus here 2 to the power minus 4, we can write 1 by 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 6. Here we can write 1 by 2 to the power 6 plus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3. Here we can write 2 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 0, it means 1, plus here base is same and in between division is there. Then what we will do, we will subtract the power. 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus 6 plus 2 to the power 3. In the next step 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus 6, that will be minus 2. In the next step again we have got the exponent negative, we will make it positive. 1 plus, it will be 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3. In the next step we will add 1 plus 2 to the power 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8. Your answer will be 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13. 13 will be your answer. Let us see the last question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 5 to the power n into 25 to the power n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 to the power n minus 1. Here we have to make this 25 as a power of 5. Let us see how we will make. 5 to the power n will remain as it is into. Here for this 25 we can write 5 to the power 2 whole to the power n minus 1. We can write this 5 to the power 2, 5 5 is 25 and to the power n minus 1 divided by the same we will do here also. 5 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power 2 whole to the power n minus 1. Now what we will do, we will multiply the double power. This is 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 into n, 2n, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power 2 into n, 2n, 5 to the power 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Here we can see base are same, power will be added. 5 to the power n plus 2n minus 2. Here also we can see base are same, multiplication is there, power will be added. N minus 1 plus 2n minus 2. In the next step we will write 5 to the power n plus 2n, 3n minus 2 divided by 5 to the power n plus 2n, 3n minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Again we can see that base are same and division is there, power will be subtracted. 5 to the power 3n minus 2 minus 3n minus 3. In the next step 5 to the power 3n minus 2 minus plus minus 3n, minus minus plus 3. This 3n cancelled. 5 to the power minus 2 plus 3. 5 to the power minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. Therefore your answer will be 5. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is also clear to you. Now we will solve the last question of this exercise, that is question number 6. Question number 6 says that if m is equal to minus 2, the value of m is given, and n is equal to 2, value of n is also given. Find the value of. One expression is given here, and by putting the value of m and n given above, we have to find the value. Here m square, the value of m is minus 2, so we can write here minus 2 square, plus n square, value of n is 2, 2 square, minus 2mn, 2 into value of m, minus 2 into n, 2, minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, again 2 square, 2 2 ja 4, minus into minus plus, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16. This is very easy question and you can solve it easily also. Answer will be 16. Next we will see question number 2. Here m to the power n plus n to the power m. The value of m is minus 2, to the power value of n is 2. Again value of n is 2, power m, the value of m is minus 2. In the next step, minus 2 into minus 2, that will be 4. Here first we will make the power positive. Next step, 4 plus 1 by 2 2 ja 4. Here we will take the LCM. LCM will be 4. 1 4 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, plus 4 1 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1. Your answer will be 16 plus 1, it will be 17 by 4. You can leave your answer here also, or if you want to convert into mixed fraction, then it will be 4 4 ja 16, remainder 1, 4 whole 1 by 4 will be your answer. Let us see one more question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says 2n cube minus 3m. 2n, the value of n is 2, 2 cube, n cube, it means 2 cube, minus 3m, 3 into value of m is minus 2, 2 into 2 cube, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, minus into minus plus, 3 2 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16, plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22. This will be your answer. Hope that this exercise 5b and this chapter 5 exponent is quite clear to you, and if you will be having any doubt, you can ask me by sending me messages through WhatsApp, or you can make a telephone call also to me to ask the query. Next, after this we will be starting our next chapter, that is chapter number 6, ratio and proportion.